Yeah, we are here. Wow, I can feel the cold. Yay!
Wow, look at the road, my goodness.
So we're hiking on Langat with my friends here. We're on a pickup. And we are going to have fun.
We are just.
Oh my goodness!
This is better than a roller coaster. This is better than a roller coaster.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
It's fun.
Smile.
You take it?
Careful your head.
I think you better careful your head.
Careful your head.
Better look ahead.
Yeah. It was like, oh.
You know there's pokok, you know? There can be pokok, but suddenly the pokok can be your head.
It's crazy.
I mean, this is what we call living a life, right?
Wow. I love it.
So we're living a life. And we're going up.
Just living the real life.
Yeah.
With the nature.
We're living the life, girls. And we're going to go up to waterfall. We're going to hike up and reach a waterfall. 2 waterfalls, actually. So, yes, my God.
What?
What happened? What happened?
My phone emergency SOS. I think because we're
No line.
no line.
No line. That's it.
Wow, we are here. Somebody living like water on my face.
I think it rains last morning.
It can. It's like falling down there. Somebody living here? It's a house.
It's a village.
It's there. Oh no!
What happened?
What? What's that?
No, we have to cut that one.
What happened?
Oh,
There's a
the
trees
tree
blocking.
fall.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, true.
Tree.
I gotta see this.
Yeah. Oh no.
So, you have to help and cut that.
We were not prepared for this. We were just having
What
fun.
happened?
Part of the
Interesting.
This cannot be cleared by a parang.
How do you... Oh, he's actually got a...
Yeah. Ready? Ready to cut?
Ready to cut. Yeah.
Actually got a
See,
saw.
they know already all these things because I think
I think it's too big.
they have all this experience
You
before.
think they can?
Are they gonna be able to do it? I mean, it just happened, right?
Yeah.
Maybe midnight.
Because last night it was
early
raining.
morning.
It was raining last
Yeah.
night.
Strong wind, you know.
How?
Don't you think you need more than 2 people to pull that
Yeah.
out?
Okay.
Yeah. Girls, ready?
Are you ready to go to do
I will hold your camera.
Are you a good high jumper? Can you high jump?
I will help you hold the camera.
Can you high jump?
Okay,
girl?
it's okay.
Girl, can you high jump?
Yeah, we can do this.
No. Maybe we can just swing like what a monkey, you know? Just hold.
Oh, can we go through that?
That
Can we go through that?
I think it's still.
we can, but not the car.
Yeah.
I think we park the car here. We go through.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes started to come.
Oh.
Oh, yes. I have something for mosquitoes.
Mm-hmm.
I
The
got
repellent.
it- Yeah, I got it from Bali.
Oh, okay.
Let's try this.
I told you use your.
Shit, man, there's so many mosquitoes.
How's the guys?
Tak boleh tahan ini macam le.
Can clean up?
I think.
Going to try lah because since we have
Can we just hide from here?
drive,
Huh?
we either go back there, park the car and walk in, then we can just walk through, you see.
Ah.
We can't park the car here.
No lah. Then you are blocking Can I guess
side
you
there.
can park in that corner.
Ah.
It's still a bit risky lah.
Yeah.
But I mean, no one is going to steal a pickup, right?
No, not steal a pickup. If there's another pickup that is,
Oh, but why would the pickup want to come here if we can't go through?
They cannot go through. Yeah.
yeah. Well, the thing is, he said it just happened.
Yeah, I think last night. It was raining last
No,
night.
it just happened. He said he's on a bike, he went up.
Uh-huh.
It was clear. He said coming down the tree just fell.
Oh.
So he said it's something that just happened. No mind, it happens, things happen.
Yeah.
Since we have a pickup, we have to cut through.
So where does the trail begin from?
See, the trail begins from where we drove in.
Yeah.
We could have parked the car and walked in. Because I've done this with him before, Gunung Hitam, where we parked the car outside and walked in.
But the one he's taking us to is actually
It's at the base of Gunung Hitam.
we're going to hike Gunung Hitam.
No. Gunung Hitam is 4 hours.
What are we going to hike?
We are just walking in the forest up to
Right.
the waterfall.
Right.
So we're not hiking a mountain. It's okay, don't worry. I know you're worried about the mountain.
Yeah.
We're not going up. We are just
I think in time I wouldn't be so worried, but then when you first start. Yeah, I was wrong about mosquitoes. You want some? I think I'll go to your stomach. This was there. This is from Bali, organic. Oh. You want some for your
you
hands?
think, just spray yourself
Yeah.
Put it for your hands.
because mosquitoes will bug you.
Yeah. And your neck as well, your back of your neck.
See, what I normally do before this kind of unknown territory hike, I dip my clothes in Dettol.
Oh, they don't like that at all.
They hate Dettol.
Oh.
So they basically don't come.
I have this one. It's not Bali, it's organic.
Then I buy this from the pharmacy, the tiger balm patches.
Oh.
You put it on your shoulders.
Right.
You don't get bugged by them. Otherwise, they bug you.
Is Jay trying to hack the tree or what?
Yeah, if he wants to get through with the 4-wheel drive, he has to hack.
Wow.
You all have been hiking with him for a while?
First time for me.
No, I didn't try.
Never.
You have never hiked before?
You mean this is your first
This is your
time
first
with him
time?
also?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But I'm always on the floor.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I'm working in the reservoir.
You're working in a?
Reservoir.
What's your name? I didn't even know.
A cook.
Joanne.
Tuan.
Joanne. As a cook.
T-H-U-A-N.
Joanne.
Oh, Joanne. I heard Tuan. So I'm like,
Ah,
said, what
Joanne.
is-
Joanne.
I thought, is that a Vietnamese name or I'm pronouncing it right? You're a chef.
Yeah.
Even with the patches, the mosquitoes still.
You want some of this?
You know why? One.
They're not coming to us, huh? They don't like this. Good. Stay away.
Maybe the smell.
Yeah, they don't like this one. But the beautiful part is it's used 100% pure essential oil. I got it in Bali. Yeah. So at least you know not putting chemical on it.
Yeah.
I did this mountain with him about 5 years ago.
This mountain, huh?
Yeah.
Not that difficult, right?
Huh?
Not that difficult, right? Tak susah sangat kan? Tak
Very
susah kan?
difficult. Very difficult.
Susah?
Gunung Hitam is a very difficult mountain.
No, we're not going up Gunung Hitam, girl. We're just going to do waterfall. We're doing waterfall.
At the base of Gunung Hitam.
We're going to take some photos.
No, he's made this easier by driving you all in.
Thank you,
Because
Jay.
this is a 45-minute walk to the end of this road.
Okay. Probably I'll reach the end of the road. So you guys are still with us. That's very sweet of Jay.
And let's see that. Hello. Oh, oh. Hi. It's big or hi? There's an electric. It's electric. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I cannot. Where I cannot see. Hey, is this mangosteen? Oh.
Korun kau G kamu ni. Ha? Ada korun ni. Ha, ada korun. Ha?
This is a mangosteen tree.
Pagi just now. Oh, just now. Just now. Saya sudah datang. Mau balik tak boleh. Oh, Haji naik tadi belum pergi. Belum. Itu motor tu. Ramai dah kat atas tu. Ya.